Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium using an easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the instrument's components like the bellows and keys. Next, adopt a comfortable sitting posture, keeping your back straight and shoulders relaxed. This helps with breath control and reaching all keys. Finally, practice basic finger positions, ensuring your fingers curve naturally over the keys for effortless movement. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Now let's focus on sound production. The bellows are crucial. Pump them smoothly and consistently to maintain a steady airflow. Experiment with the air stops, opening and closing them to understand how they affect the sound. Your goal is to produce clear, sustained notes without wavering. This coordination between bellows and stops is fundamental to creating beautiful music. Practice this until it feels natural. With air control mastered, it's time to play your first melodies. Start by learning the C major scale, practicing each note slowly and evenly. This builds essential finger memory and coordination. Then, try simple tunes that use just a few notes, focusing on smooth transitions. Pay close attention to rhythm and timing. These elements bring your music to life. Consistency is key to developing your musical ear and dexterity. To truly master the harmonium, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate a specific time each day to reinforce what you've learned and explore new techniques. As you gain confidence, begin exploring different ragas and more complex compositions. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies on this musical journey. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. Keep playing and enjoying your harmonium.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.